When speaking of the mystical void, Fritjof Capra states, in spite of using terms like empty and void, the Eastern sages make it clear that they do not mean ordinary emptiness when they talk about Brahman, Sunyata or Tao, but on the contrary, a void which has an infinite creative potential. In the quote, the terms empty and void should not be interpreted in the literal sense of nothingness or absence. Instead, these terms point to a profound and subtle reality that is full of potential and creative energy. What is Capra alluding to? In Hindu philosophy, Brahman is the ultimate reality, the source of all that exists. It is not just an empty void, but a formless, infinite presence that underlies and pervades everything. It is the ground of being, containing within it the potential for all forms and manifestations. In Buddhism, sunyata, or emptiness, refers to the absence of inherent, independent existence in all phenomena. This does not imply a nihilistic void, but rather indicates that all things are interdependent and interconnected. This interconnectedness is a source of endless possibilities and potentialities, as everything is in a state of flux and transformation. In Taoism, the Tao is the fundamental principle that is the source and essence of everything. It is often described in paradoxical terms because it transcends ordinary understanding and language. The Tao is not an empty void, but an indefinable dynamic source from which all things arise and return. By stating that the void has infinite creative potential, Capra is highlighting a key insight in Eastern spirituality. What appears as emptiness or voidness is actually a state brimming with latent energy and possibilities. Similar to the quantum field in physics, where the vacuum state is not empty, but teeming with virtual particles and energy fluctuations, embodying immense creative potential. Through this understanding, Capra illustrates that both modern physics and Eastern mysticism recognize that reality is a unified process, where potentialities constantly emerge and transform.